welcome back to KT Productionz. This is another KT Productionz video. It's been a long time since I posted anything, but I got a couple videos coming up now. So this one today is an unboxing. It's a Casio G-Shock watch, one I've been waiting on, one I had to get up early in the morning to jump in line and keep refreshing the button as you add it to the cart. And I got lucky, I got through and I got one. But before I get to this one, I just want to show you all these. This is the watch that I'm going to be showing you, but not this edition. This is the black on black 1545 when it came out some years ago. The battery's dead now, but it's dope. I just gotta get a battery for it. I like this watch a whole lot. Digital. Yeah, it's based on that. What number was that? Yeah, 5600 MS. This is a dope module, dope watch, real tough. They will last you a lifetime. But this one is the tough solar. Like, this is a solar watch, and it's atomic also, so it sets itself. It's been wrong. I gotta go get it set because I have trouble setting these things sometimes. It's supposed to automatically set itself from the atomic clock based in Denver, Colorado, I believe it is. And this is the 25th anniversary one. Came in this can. Came with this chain right here. I forget what they retail for. How much did this thing retail? I forget. I got it years ago. I forget what it retail for though. But the value of this watch is way up there, man. I checked it out a little while ago, and people are just wanting to sought after watches. I just like the clean design on certain watches, man. Some of them just look dope. So this is one of them. I had this in camouflage too. It's over there, but so this is the tough solar watch. Like I said, it was packed away, and it had pretty much died. I sat it in the sun, like with the dial facing the sun, and it charged right up, and it's been good ever since. So just gotta get it set, and I'll be able to rock this again. But I thought it would set itself. There's a manual way. It just didn't work, so we'll see. But anyway, dope watch, two dope watches. But now let's get to this unboxing. Like I said, I got up early one morning, like a couple of days ago, maybe a month ago. I don't know, I forget how. It was like a pre-order. You had to get in line. All right, so let's see what we got. You had to get in line. If you got it, you got it. I saw on the website some people didn't get them, or on Instagram. All right, so Casio paperwork from Casio. So that's that. And this is the dope edition. The last one that came out that was similar to this was the Apollo moon landing one. Oh yeah, so this box down here. I missed that one, and that one has like crazy value now. People are definitely trying to get that watch. That came out probably a year ago. So this one is the G-Shock. This is the Space Shuttle from when it first came out in 1981 to 2021 when they retired them. Actually, they retired it before 2021. This is just, I don't know what I guess they're celebrating, I guess 41 years, but the Space Shuttle has been retired for like maybe 4 or 5 years now, so I'm not sure how they did 2021 on there. But either way, you can see I got the Space Shuttle model right there. There's another one right here too. Because I launch, I'm a rocket nerd, I launch rockets, so something I do. So this is super dope to have. I see this looks like a screen. Oh yeah, it's TS1. Okay, so it has all like just different aspects of the shuttle, different launches on here. So cool. Different stats rather. Oh yeah, the weight. Okay, yep. 219,258 pounds. Yep, the first shuttle was launched in 1981, April 12th at 7 a.m. Yep, cool. So they have all these stats on here talking about it. Looks like a TV screen. That is dope. This is a nice box. They always do good with their boxes though. You can see G-Shock, like this 25th anniversary edition box. It's super dope. I like, you had to keep that. So I'll leave that there, and I'll put that right there. But yeah, so let's get to this. Let's get this open. Yeah, it's a 5600 NASA edition. Yeah. So let's open it up. All right. Let's see what we got. All right. This is like a gray. This is a gray color, so it looks real cool. Got that Apollo or NASA gray, we'll call it. So all right, here we go. So here's the can. There's the top of the can. 40th anniversary of the first shuttle launch. That's what they're celebrating in 1981 to 21. So it's 40 years. April 12th, 1981. It was Columbia. That was the first space shuttle to launch, and that one got destroyed too. So yeah, they're telling different stats on here. Yep, that's TS1. Yep. So this is cool, real cool detailing. You see a little orbiter there. Matter of fact, I'll tell y'all, when the shuttle, if this is the orbiter, when it's like that, it's the orbiter. When it's all together, it's a space shuttle. You got two solid rocket boosters on the side, and that orange part is the fuel tank. So and this one actually opens up. It's just like a little model, like a little die cast thing. But we'll get to the watch right now because that's what we're here for. So, everything falling out. So what we got? Okay, so they have this little cushion. They always put this little cushion. And I guess this is the warranties. Let's see what they did here. So here's the warranty card. Or cards. Yeah, international warranty, international regulations actually. Yeah, just warranties. These are your warranty cards. You have to fill this out, what model you got, and you send it back to them. You should be able to do this on the computer now, right? Jesus, so here we go. Okay, these are the warranty cards, and now here's the watch. So here we are again. So let's get this open. You can see how we open it here. I really like the Apollo watch. I think I like the Apollo one better than this one. This is dope though. I like this, the black with the white. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. This is pretty nice. I'll hold this up, let you get a look. Yeah, this is nice. I mean, this is not a bad design. So you got STS1. You got United States on here. NASA on the dial with black. So it matches the colors of the shuttle. You can see the, I mean, you can see the comparison. You can see what they were trying to do there. You can see what they were doing. Nice. And on the back, they etched the space shuttle is on the back with the years 1981 to 2021. So this is cool. Pretty cool. And compared to this one, yeah, like I said, it's the same module, same dial. It's just a different color scheme. White band. Nice though, black and white. American flag right there. Pretty cool. Not bad at all. There's that retail price, $140. This watch is $140. So the resale value is when this is what's going on in the sneaker game right now. Resale, everything goes up. If I decide to sell it, I'll definitely get more than the $141 plus the shipping that I spent on it. I wouldn't let it go for no cheaper. But this one's dope, like I said. But I love the Apollo one. It was all white, like it was just so fresh. But this is a cool design too, and I had to have it. You know, I got this. Like I said, I got this one for my birthday. It's a NASA one, but it's like an off-brand. Saying this is not a high-end watch. It's just a little NASA watch. So there you have it. The date 5/20, slightly off, and the time's off. So I have to set that. Where's the booklet? Oh yeah, the booklet's down here. So here we have the booklet, how to set it and everything. Yep. So there's a different module numbers. Actually, it's a different module number from this one. I think, yeah. This is 1545, so there must be some differences then. So there's the booklet for how to set it, and this little can that it comes in. Like these are 10 cans. The lid matches. So yeah, pretty dope. Yeah, pretty dope. Good release. Nice release. Casio does it again. They always kill with the design, the graphic design work. Got the box, a couple screws there. Yep. Space Shuttle. 40th anniversary. It's 40 years old, so there we go. I have to throw it on, see how it looks. I'm gonna throw it on right now. Let me put it on and see how it look on the wrist. Get this plastic off here. Get this price tag off. See how it look. Let me see how it look on the KUT wrist. Actually, the band feels different too. It don't feel as rubbery as this one. It feels different. Has a different feel to a different texture. All right, so let's see what we got. Feels a little. I don't put it on too tight. So yeah, there it is on the wrist, black and white. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. It's pretty fresh. It looks all right. I dig it. Dig it. Black dial. There's the can. I dig it. I like it. I like it. But I do like my all black one, which I gotta get battery for. And I do like my tough solar. And I got a couple other watches too. They're around. I like watches. So there we go. The G-Shock Casio Space Shuttle Anniversary watch. I love the Apollo one though. That one was fresh. I missed it though. I missed out on that one, man. I'm so mad. I went to go get it. It was too late. That was last year. It's too late. So like, share, and subscribe to the video. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch y'all in another one. Alright, peace. And one thing I forgot to show you, that when you hit the light, it lights up with the year 1981 to 2021 with the space shuttle behind it. behind the like the glow that they use. Can you see that? It's pretty dope. So, dope watch. Dope watch, not bad at all. Still mad I missed the Apollo one. That's the one I want, but the resale value is too high. I don't want to spend that much for it. I could get it, but it's too much for me. I don't want to. That's ridiculous. But this is fresh. All right, y'all. Peace.